It became a battle of sports cars when this Politiko father-son tandem went on a joyride. Ilocos Norte 1st District Provincial Board member Rudy and Junior Fariñas III went for a drive around the province with his father, former Congressman Rudy Fariñas Jr. Both are car enthusiasts. They took out the red and green Ferraris for a spin. The younger Fariñas posted a photo to share just how much fun they had.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.